Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix login error issues in Houzz app on a device. So if to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that Houzz app is used for home design inspiration, finding home improvement professionals, shopping for furniture and decor, and planning renovation project. It helps home owners and designers discover ideas, connect with professional, and purchase products with their homes. But if you're facing login issues to create an account, then you need to follow a few steps. Like, first thing, you need to make sure that your device is highly connected to a very strong and stable connection, so that you won't face any kind of login error issues while logging to the account. Or there might be various updates available in the respective app. You just need to update the app accordingly. For that, you need to visit your app store, or if you are an Android user, you can simply visit your Play Store and update your app. So for that, you need to just visit your app store, and here you can see the option like search, and after that you just need to search the app in which you are facing login error, and that is Houzz. So now here you can see the app Houzz, and just need to open the app. So here you can see there is no any updates available in this app, so you no need to update your app right now. And the third option is just you need to visit your settings. So after visiting settings, here you can see the first home page of this app settings, and now from all of this app you need to just click on the option general, and again click on the option iPhone storage, and after that you need to search the app in which you are facing error, that is Houzz. And here you can see the app Houzz. Now you just need to offload the app, and here you can see the option offload app, which is highlighted in color blue. You just need to click on this offload app, and after that again click on the offload app, and there will be the option reinstall app. You just need to reinstall app again, and now within a very few seconds your app will be again reinstalled on a device, and then your login error will be fixed. So that's how you can just fix your login error in Houzz app on a device. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.